You're looking for someone, but it's not Kiss.
Yes.
Oh, what's the matter, Poppy? You and Miguel Gorilla, you got something going, huh?
It's like
I mean, Bucko, with a scurvy crew steaming close behind, and I do mean steaming.
Gene's clean.
A pussy, 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 pussy.
Highly improbable.
Not our demon.
Hi, Curly.
Gene's brother was an only child.
Easy, Catman. They are serious.
And they've got guns. Got guns. Got guns. Got guns.
He's sweating the possibility that we might pull out. He's just plain sweating.
Wonder who could have done it.
Good question, Catman. What do you compute, Space Ace?
Insufficient data at the moment, Star Child. Beethoven's Fifth.
If they fall into the wrong hands.
There are no right hands except ours.
Let's stop this pussy, pussy, pussy. Pussy, pussy, pussy. Not this pussy cat.
Well, why didn't you say so? She wants a rocket ride.
Pussy.
Wonder what his trip is.
Probably him.
Pussy.